Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Caviarkezzy. I hope you're all doing well. Today I'm doing pretty good, so let's jump into today's wig and install, shall we? Let's give a warm welcome back to Afsister. They are today's hair sponsor for today's install and review. This wig is absolutely beautiful. When I first installed this wig, I didn't see it like this because it was in its like combed out, styled state. And I know one thing about Afsister wigs, once you straighten it or curl it, it just becomes silky on a like high quality, gorgeous. Look at this unit, beautiful, top tier. Today what I have installed is a 20-inch body wave whole lace wig, not full lace, whole lace wig. They're different. Full lace wig has an elastic center, that little center piece towards the crown that we all hate so much. The entire wig is on lace. You can part this wig anywhere. You can wear her down, you can wear her up, you can wear her parted. The hairline, you can see that it's already pre-plucked. We're definitely going to secure her. Okay, and I'm gonna cut the lace here and here. I lace Lineage glue. This offers a medium strong hold if you don't want something like stuck on your head for too long, which I love for my installs because for my job, I'm constantly taking my wigs off. I just want a temporary hold. I'm going in with my Lace Lineage melting spray. This is really good for detailing, melting down. And I'm just going in and dabbing, like taking the end of my brush and dabbing it in the glue, because sometimes you might forget along this part of the hairline. It dries so fast that you won't even notice it's there. Dab over that area that I just melted. I'm just gonna go in with some Eco Style gel. To clean up the part, to make it look more visible, I'm gonna go ahead with some powder. Did want to mention that this company does offer customization. If you want to customize your wig to fit, maybe you're someone who has a big head, or maybe you're someone that has a small head. You want to customize the wig to fit your head. All you have to do is hit them up and you can get it customized to fit your specific needs. This is too cute. I don't care what anybody says. I love a cute little space bun moment. That's cute. Okay, so because we put gel in the hair prior to this, we're definitely going to need the hot comb to style it back. I'm going to put some more gel. Okay, so the first for high ponytail on a wig, I find it's best if you do it in sections. So you just take your first section and, you know, determine where you want your ponytail to sit. And there's still some hair down here. We're not worrying about those right now. You separate that and then you take the hair from the back. It's not glued down. I'm just gonna pull some of my own hair. What they've done here with this wig in particular, this whole lace wig, is the whole wig in its entirety is made out of lace. So you can part it anywhere. You can part it here, you can part it here, you can part it back there. It does feel a bit more on the coarse side, but that's because it's like a body wave texture. A lot of times they're more coarse to hold and maintain the curl pattern. I think it is a beautiful wig. It fits very nicely. I like the combs at the back. So I love that I don't have to glue down the back. Love, love, love. It's beautiful, guys. Look at the back. Yeah. 10 out of 10. I think it looks so nice. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. This wig is most definitely caviarkezzy approved. Beautiful, full density, thick. It's just gorgeous. And I would say it's giving longer than 20 inches, not gonna lie. Anyways, guys, I'm obsessed with it. I hope you are too. If you want to purchase this wig, I'm gonna link it in the description box for you. So don't forget to check that out before you go. All right, guys, I got to go. Bye, y'all.